Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with safety and quick access. Park level, engine off, disconnect the negative terminal if you need room. Once done, open the bonnet and remove the battery cover or airbox that blocks the headlight. This gives direct access and prevents accidental damage. You're removing trim clips and the two visible screws first. Do not force anything. These steps expose the headlight housing and make the next operation straightforward, because you've eliminated interference and secured a clean working space. You now focus on the housing itself. First, disconnect the electrical connector and twist out the bulb holder so wiring stays free. This prevents snags when you move the unit. Then, using a socket, undo the upper and lower mounting bolts while supporting the assembly with your free hand. Once bolts are loose, the headlight can shift. Slide the housing forward a bit to clear the rear locating tab, then lift straight out. Doing it slowly avoids breaking plastic tabs and keeps alignment intact for reinstallation. To finish, you reverse the steps while checking seals and bulb condition. Fit bulb holders and reconnect the electrical plug before lowering the housing into its tabs. Once seated, tighten bolts snugly, hand tight plus about a quarter turn, so plastics aren't overstressed. After reconnecting the battery, test the lights and adjust aim if needed. If it won't power on or the beam is off, check the fuse, inspect connector pins for corrosion, and reseat the bulb. That single troubleshooting tip solves most common failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.